What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today we got some new stuff to unbox, and there's nothing to see here. Nothing at all to see. Nothing weird. Nothing out of the ordinary happening here. Just all right, so my wife has taken creative control over my channel for this one video. And first she was like, oh, do some ASMR stuff. Tap, tap. Ugh. And somehow that turned into me wearing press-on nails. It'll be fine. I'm not going to compensate. Not going to do anything weird. I'm just going to not acknowledge them. But I do want to try one thing. That's fine. That's fine. Nothing weird there. All right. Anyway, so my wife got the new 17 Pro Max that was awkward to pick up, and she wanted a decorative case with a good pop socket that had a strong magnet, and here we are. So I'm gonna try and get into this thing. Will this work? Oh, that's normal. That's supposed to happen, right? That's totally fine. Let's see. I'm not gonna compensate or anything in this video. Just totally fine. Totally secure in myself. This is fine. Nothing to see here. Okay. All right. Packaging is nice. Actually, I didn't even look at the front. It's actually pretty cool. Reminds me of like some designer bags that my wife has. Not me, I promise. Opalescent seashell for iPhone 17 Pro Max. Let's check this thing out. Oh, gosh. So this thing is a little bit pricey. It was $42. And that looks pretty cool, actually. It's definitely got a cool, like, shimmer to it. The cutouts appear to be really good, actually. And what's cool about this is it kind of squares it off. It's funny, Apple goes through all this work to make round edges, only to slap a rectangular case on here. Good thing is, if you do drop this thing and it lands on a corner, you have extra protection down here because of these squared off edges. So you're less likely to damage your corner of the phone. So the buttons are all clicky, no problem. And there's a lip around the camera bezels, so that's totally fine. Yeah, this is fine. This is fine. What she also got with it is, like I said, the ring, what do they call this? Ring holder, the universal ring holder 360. It's magnetic. It's supposed to rotate and work with a bunch of the different phones. Now, one of the things that she is hoping is that this thing, oh gosh, will stick well to the back of the phone. I don't know if there's magnets actually added to the back of the case. Oh, push. New respect for you ladies. I can't imagine using these things all day long. I have built-in little, no, it didn't work. Let's see how good this magnet is. Pretty good. I would say it's a solid 8 out of 10. The whole thing is, in order to rotate, you got to turn the whole thing. I do know she was hoping that this inside ring would like slide. Getting glue all over the place. Would slide inside of the other ring, but I think it's probably fine still. Altogether, the pop socket was $30 and the case was $42. So you're talking like 80 something bucks for this whole setup. While that might be a little rich for me, if you take a look at something like a OtterBox, you're going to be in a similar range anyway. So this is not really that crazy, especially seeing all the coloring that's on the back. So, ladies and gentlemen, if you're looking for anything creative, they do have a bunch of funky designs. You can find their cases on Amazon. This one was $42.49. The pop socket was $29.99. The cutouts down bottom are perfect. There's nothing obstructing. They do overprotection. The buttons, like I said, are easy to get to. The camera button is super accessible. Nice little cutout. Actually kind of feels nice. The volume rocker is fine. I see a lot of cases including this. I believe it's for a lanyard. It's like 2 little holes, but there's no lanyard in the bag, so I guess that's a thing still. And like I said, all the buttons are nice and clicky. You can feel straight through to them. Thank you so much for checking out this product with me today. I don't envision there being a lot of videos where I'm wearing press-on nails, although I don't know if I'm actually wearing them anymore at this point. Thanks for dealing with me. If you liked the video, hit that thumbs up. If not, hit that thumbs down. As always, I appreciate the subscription. Peace.